In this Photoshop tutorial, I will show how to create this portrait text effect in Photoshop. Without wasting much time, let's get started. So first click on create new. Width is set to 16 inches, height 9 inches, resolution remains at 300, and then background content remains at transparent. Then click on create. Okay. Now click on this adjustment layer here. Click on select color and set it all the way to black. Then click on OK. Now bring in your image layer. Bring your image layer. Hold shift and just now click on enter. After clicking on tab, click on Ctrl A or Command A and then align it to the center. Ctrl D to deselect. Now left click and then rasterize layer. Ctrl Shift U to desaturate the image. Now what are we going to do? We want to set this background color to match the black. So we are going to go to select and then select subject. To select subject, press Ctrl J on your keyboard to make duplicate. Now you can come here, left click on it, go to blending options and then add a color overlay. So I choose black because it's black. Then you click on OK. After that, hold Ctrl and click the top layer and then Ctrl E to merge both layers. As you can see, so you merge both layers. Now click on this layer and drag in your text image. Then click on enter. Now for it to show, we will now change the background color to another color for the meantime. Okay. Now we go back to our text, Ctrl T to transform, and then Alt and drag, fit properly. Now hold Shift and then sorry. Now hold Shift, then drag to fit here. Ctrl Enter. Now create a clipping mask. Click on this image layer and then create clip mask. Ctrl J to duplicate layer. Now before then, let's come back to our background layer and change it to black. Then here you come here, go to view and then new guide layout. Make sure this is set to 2 pixels. Okay. Then click on OK. Control minus to zoom out and then select this macro tool here. Then drag. Okay. Start dragging. Add a layer mask. Control plus to zoom in. Now go to view and then clear the guys. Okay. You can always change it to the direction. You can always press Ctrl to and then interchange it Ctrl I. And this is what we've done. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till next time, peace.